Hey, what's up? Last month we posted a video about Redmi Buds 3. Did you watch it? If not, the link is in the description. Then the Chinese manufacturer has released the Lite version of its budget wireless earbuds. I already have these earbuds, and today we will do unboxing and full review of them. By the way, I don't know the official name of these TWS earbuds. Some people call them Redmi Buds 3 Lite, while the others Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition. On the box we can only read Redmi Buds 3 and the Chinese inscriptions. So don't mind that I will call the new Redmi earbuds by different names. Let's get started. As already said, the inscriptions on the box are in Chinese, but we can read the main features of the earbuds, such as Bluetooth 5.2, IP54 waterproof, USB Type-C port. Inside the box there is a charging case with earbuds, silicone ear tips of different size and user manual. There is no USB Type-C charging cable in the package, like the previous Redmi Buds 3. You know, the previous Redmi Buds 3 were the first wireless earbuds from Redmi with a semi-in-ear design. As for the new Redmi Buds 3 Lite, they have silicone ear tips. I don't know which design is better, because each of them have their advantages. By the way, Redmi Buds 3 Lite have not only silicone ear tips, but also cat ears. They are replaceable and made of silicone. The Chinese manufacturer says that they provide better fixation of the earbuds in your ears. The new wireless earbuds from Redmi have touch panel, LED indicator, and microphone hole on the outside. On the inside of the earbuds there are two charging contacts. Another feature of Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition is IP54 waterproof rating. However, only the earbuds have a water protection, not a charging case. Talking about charging case, it is very compact, only 60 by 46 by 24 mm. There is LED indicator on the front, Redmi logo on the back, and USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. The design of the case is very minimalistic, so the new Redmi Buds 3 Lite earbuds look very different from the previous Redmi Buds 3. However, they are very comfortable. Okay, now let's talk about control functions. You know, the new Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition earbuds have only a few control functions. First, you can play pause the music with press and hold on the earbuds. The double tap on the left earbud switches to the previous track, and a double tap on the right earbud switches to the next track. The triple press on the new Redmi earbuds calls a voice assistant on smartphone. You can also answer or reject a phone call using touch panels of wireless earbuds. That's all. Unfortunately, Redmi Buds 3 Lite don't have volume control or gaming mode. However, the manufacturer promises low latency in games. Let's check it out. I'm going to play PUBG Mobile for a while. By the way, do you play games with the wireless earbuds? Is the latency test important for you? Write in the comments below. You know, it is comfortable to play PUBG Mobile with Redmi Buds 3 Lite earbuds. The latency is really low. Now I want to check a microphone quality.
Hey guys, now are you listening to the sound I recorded on the built-in microphone of Redmi Buds 3 Lite? I am in my studio, but I turned on a video with simulation of street noise on my laptop. It is pretty noisy here. By the way, while I am testing the microphone, I want to ask you to hit the like button under this video. Thank you.
You know, the price of Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition is about $20, so I didn't expect high sound quality from them. They also don't have Qualcomm chip with aptX support, unlike the previous Redmi Buds 3. However, I am really impressed by the bass of these wireless earbuds. Maybe because of silicone ear tips, but it seems to me that the bass of Redmi Buds 3 Lite is even better than Redmi Buds 3. The volume level is very high. I was listening to music at about 50% volume. However, if you're in a crowded place, you will probably turn up the volume to 80%. You know, these wireless earbuds don't need active noise cancellation, because I don't hear anything around me when I listen to music. The silicone ear tips provide very good noise isolation. The sound quality of Redmi Buds 3 Youth Edition is very good, even without Qualcomm chip and aptX support. Talking about battery life, the new Redmi earbuds have 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. As already said, the charging case is very compact, but you can use it 3 times to recharge the earbuds. So the total battery life of Redmi Buds 3 Lite with charging case is about 18 hours. You know, the main feature of the new Redmi wireless earbuds for me is the sound quality. It is really good for $20 TWS earbuds. There is no gaming mode, but the latency in games is pretty low. From other side, there is no volume control function. It is a big drawback for me. The microphone quality and battery life are just okay. So for only $20 or even cheaper, you can get wireless earbuds from Redmi with really good sound quality and deep bass. Thank you for watching. See you soon!